exhibition, specially curated for the first yearites to give them an overall glimpse of the subjects studied in architecture through the works done by our seniors. The hosts for today's exhibition are Avanti Salvatkar and Mudra Dhuri from second year, Tanvi Kotian and myself Sharvari Lad from third year, and we have Utsav Chaudhary from second year. All of us will be guiding you through the exhibition. If you guys have any questions regarding the works or anything else, do ask them during the question intervals, and anybody from the seniors are free to answer those questions. Now we shall begin with our exhibition. Over to you, Avanti.
First year of architecture is all about learning new things, meeting new people, making new friends, getting used to studio life, getting dozens of redos, protecting your stationery from the chore gang of your class, coming to college with model in both your hands, attending various fun events, experiencing the first study tour where we explored some amazing places in India while creating tons of memories. अरे यही बातें तो बाद में याद आती है. चलो अब बहुत हो गया बातें याद करना. We will start with our semester 1 works. First we have is AD, which is architectural design. Now this is the most important subject throughout the 5 years of architecture. Semester 1 AD is all about exploring your creativity while understanding basic concepts regarding types of spaces, scale and proportion, light and shadow,
We cannot hear you.
and color theory. In our same one, we were given the objective to design an artist lens that showcases a play of the previously mentioned concepts, and these were some of the best projects that were observed. Moving on to ARD. ARD stands for Architectural Representation Drawing, which teaches line weights, types of lines, scale, lettering, elevations, and developing isometric views from plan. It helps enhances the presentation of their design while providing a better understanding of the various aspects to the viewer. BTech. BTech is a technical
Hey,
subject.
excuse me. Presentation is stopped.
हे असंच मी हा हे वाला मला आवडलं वाटल्यास
Moving on to ARD. ARD stands for Architectural Representation Drawing, which teaches line weights, types of lines, scale, lettering, elevations, and developing isometric views from plan. It helps one enhance the presentation of their design while providing a better understanding of the various aspects to the viewer. BTech. BTech is a technical subject. SEM 1, it is an introduction to the bricks and its types, cut bricks, brick bonding, types of arches, and stone masonry. College project is a subject that focuses more on skill development, such as how to make models, the right ways of cutting and pasting to obtain more efficient and precise results through fun activities. Coming on to fine arts. It helps in developing the drawing skills of the students through types of line drawings, pencil and watercolor gradation, live object sketching using different mediums. Tour documentation. This is the video of our first year tour documentation. We had visited and documented Ahilyabai Holkar Talao during our first year tour to Aurangabad, where we explored the UNESCO World Heritage Sites of Ajanta and Ellora Caves, Bibi Ka Maqbara, and other historical attractions. While on our tour, we sketched various architectural aspects that were observed at these sites and presented them as a part of our documentation. These experience helped us get a better understanding of the architecture of Aurangabad along with a glance of its mesmerizing history.
Semester 2. In Semester 2 AD, based on the study tour, we were given a site near Ajanta Caves where we were asked to design a house for a role model, and the spaces were proposed after obtaining an understanding of their daily routines and hobbies. These are the drawings and the models. In Sem 2 ARD, study of psiography, that is shadows of object, drafting 1-point and 2-point perspective drawings, and basic rendering techniques with pencil colors were taught. BTech in semester 2nd is about study of load-bearing structures, their cross-sections, along with timber joinery details, doors and window details, staircase details, and roof framing details. In model making, we had to study one architect, his design style, and building forms, and had to make one model of one of his buildings. This helped in understanding the spaces and also enhance our intricate model making skills. So anyone from first year having any questions or doubts regarding the work seen so far? If not, we shall proceed further.
Models,
Yeah,
the models were made by how many people? Like,
it is individual work.
okay. Okay, okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Anyone else? Okay, so we'll move further. Semester 3, the beginning of second year. In this stage, we are more sensible about analysis and understanding of the design process. Also, we become more focused towards our detailing and rendering techniques as our drawing should be self-explanatory. Sem 3 AD was about background studies, concept development, that is initial thought process of developing any design, form development, and more precise architectural drawings are made. We designed community activity center at Nashik. The major strategy was to have a climate responsive design by site study, the user analysis of locals, the transition of spaces, and the integration of nature into the built form. Sem 3 ARD dealt with monuments sketching, rendering using different mediums, watercolor, pencil, etc. Texture study, perspective drawings of our own houses and applying those textures studied previously. And also we render various textures in two mediums. These are some of the best examples highlighted. This SIMS BTech is about studying RCC construction, and these are the sheets showing structural members details, including footing details, column details, beam details, and staircase details. For SEM 3, in Allied Design, we have interior designing. Here, exploring contemporary interior designing styles, ID contemporary interior design was explored. The project was to design a penthouse for a family of 6 members, considering the current work from home situation. We studied appropriate choice of material according to the client profile and created mood boards accordingly. We also explored detailed designing of furniture according to the ergonomics and lightings according to the ambience around.
Semester 4 is an amalgamation of all the previous semesters that is, a complete package in the expertise of hand render designing. Introduction to new softwares, new rendering techniques fall under the same. Yes, this is the semester wherein we hunt for the laptops with the best configuration in the market. AD. Semester 4 AD was all about exploring contextual architectural design approach. The site location was near Tattakodi village of Badami, Karnataka, which was selected through the study tour of semester 4. The projects displayed are the ones selected for top 17 for rookie. Semester 4 Humanities is vast and deals with Indian architecture. These are the models done in groups showcasing Buddhist architecture through the models of Sanchi Stupa and Bhaja Caves. The model of Sun Temple Kornak is done using sunboard and which was later spray painted. For Islamic architecture, the models of typical mosque architecture in India and of different types of domes using clay were done. This is the model of Taj Mahal done using sunboard and the onion dome was cast using POP. Being a sectional model, the interiors of it are also visible. Semester 4 BTech deals with the hand-drafted steel construction of roof truss details, joinery details of beam and column, and foundation details. So do anyone have any questions so far?
No.
If not, then let's proceed. For semester 5 is a semester which guides us in the implementation process of the basic software skills in practice. AutoCAD, SketchUp, Photoshop are some of the process softwares you need to get used to while studying this semester. Semester 5 AD was to design an ethnic food bazaar which analyzed the margin between the traditional street markets to the luxurious facades of malls. Here are the detailed sections, elevations for the same. In landscape designing, riverfront development project was explored through the application of various landscape elements. The designing process, being in groups, gave us the insight to each other's ideas, which enhanced the project as a whole.
Semester 6 is the university semester where the juries and exams are conducted by the university. AD and WD are the two subjects for which we have our external university juries. This is the previous year's Sem 6 work, and the project topic was Public Library and Digital Convenience Center. In this sheet, we can see the design strategies and the site plan. Here are some upper floor plans and elevation. And this sheet has the sections and 3D views of the project. WD, which is working drawing, is a complete technical drawing subject introduced in semester 6. And these are the drawings later used by the workers for the on-site construction.
In fourth year, the students head into internship, and it is crucial for them to be prepared to be able to contribute in any type of project in their firms. In the earlier semester, students learn to design different building typologies like cultural buildings, public spaces like markets, institutional buildings, libraries. And in semester 7, it deals with the large scale public housing, where the build program has to habilitate large number of people and provide a design solution for the same. The topic we had was to design a housing program for the fishermen folk in Sassoon Docks, where we have to look into their needs and aspirations and design in accordance to them. In semester 8, you will get the chance to actually go into practice and put everything that you learned in the previous years and intern in a firm. It was a really awesome opportunity to understand and relearn the inner workings of an architectural profession while understanding how site work actually takes place. I had got the chance to work with architect Dean De Cruz in Goa. Other students from our college have gotten internships with BV Doshi, Samira Rathod, Vikas Delavri, and many other prominent architects. In semester 9, which is the fifth year, the architecture design program takes its brief from Transparence, which is a national level competition. And here you will be able to show off your design skills and compete for a cash prize. Pika actually has a reputation where every year we make it into the finals. Even last year, Pikans bagged the first prize, and in this year, one of our teams has qualified for the zonals and are on to the national round. This year's topic was to introduce human well-being into workspaces, which had to look for allowing flexible workspaces and spaces that allow the users to rest, play, and work at the same place. Yeah.
PICA hosted and was part of few inter-college and international competitions this year. Senate Student Council of PICA, in association with Sir Optimist Welfare Association, organized Nirmal 2020, an inter-college architectural design competition, an initiative on account of World Toilet Day celebrated on 19th of November 2020. The competition's aim was to raise awareness about access to sanitation and to explore the role of architectural design in improving the quality of public sanitation facilities. These are the winning entries from PICA. So this is the submission by the first runner-up, Jagruti Kurade, Rutuja Devadkar, and Krunal Ambre from third year. And this is the submission by the second runner-ups, Harsh Panchar, Sagar Dhole, and Sanskar Chavan from second year. ASAP Academic Foundation conceived Udaipur Architectural Festival to celebrate architecture, and competitions also became integral part of the fest. They had two competitions, a design competition and a click or sketch competition. The design topic was House on the Lake, where the students from second year and third year in groups had to design a retreat for an architect that gives rest to the persistent creativity that follows into him or her, and unconventional spaces that relaxes yet stirs enough to provide creative fodder were expected. And we were really happy to say that all the winners and the honorary mentions were from PICA. So following are the winning submissions. For Click or Sketch, students were expected to submit a photograph or a sketch, and the topics given were bazaar, courtyard, and skylight. And the following are the winning submissions for the same. So here we come to an end to the exhibition, and I would like to ask if anyone has any questions. So Team Pegasus expresses our gratitude for letting us host this event. I thank all the students for sharing their work for the online exhibition. Hope you all first yearites enjoy and were inspired after looking at the exhibition to do some amazing works in your upcoming years of architecture. I'm also grateful to our respected faculty and fellow students for joining us in this event. Thank you all and goodbye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
House Pegasus and Student Council. It was a good initiative and I really liked your presentation. It was very well composed. So a great job done. Please keep up the good work.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Sarori.
Thank you.
Should I end the meeting now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye.